art file in a drawing. Not even going to talk about Vault right now. Just, some of the ways that people are doing this. And I really want to hear from you. So when you see things like, Jim, I can't believe you're doing it that way. I'm going to be building to the better strategies, but I'm going to show you some ways that people are doing this. So this is a part that's, it's complete, it's finished, it's going to be quote unquote released. I don't want to touch this, but I want one just like it. And I'm going to deviate slightly. We kind of call that same as except. So I'm going to start with something that already exists and then go from there. So one thing that I see even today quite a bit is they'll open up the part file. They'll do save as, save copy as, and they'll create a brand new file. So we'll call this submtc, we'll call it JRD. So that's my part file. Not a big deal, that works. Then we'll go to the drawing file, and then we'll do a file, save as, save copy as, and I'll come in here and make this a JRD. You would think that would do it. I'm going to close this file. And I'm going to open up the brand new file that I just created. Here's my JRD. The problem is, because I just did a copy, I didn't change the reference. This drawing is still referencing the original part. You can see it over here. JRD is referencing the MTC. I now have to stop what I'm doing, remember to do this. Manage, replace model reference, and I have to replace the old model with the new model. And now I can work. So this is one way of doing that is, doing it manually. You're doing a save copy as, opening the files and replace the model reference. Now you can do this. Part files, you can also do this with assemblies. It's just a lot of work and it can be really confusing as far as what files have you done, what files have you not done, and making sure that each file references the appropriate one. It's got to be right on. Otherwise, you're going to have so many mistakes and so many different files, and you might be editing a file that you really shouldn't be. We'll talk about that.